Want to change the look of the clock on your iPhone home screen? Here's how to customize the clock icon and widget on your Apple iPhone. First, press and hold on the clock widget. At the top, tap the style icon to switch between analog and digital clock styles. Tap Done to save. If you want more clock options, press and hold on an empty area of your home screen. Tap Edit in the top left, then choose Add Widget. Scroll down and tap Clock. Swipe left to see different clock styles: digital clock, large clock, and world clock with multiple cities. Tap Add Widget to place it on your home screen. Tap the clock widget, then tap the plus icon to add cities and time zones. To remove a clock, press and hold on it and tap Remove Widget. And that's it. You've customized your clock icon on iPhone. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.